Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether NorthOne Bank is FDIC insured. NorthOne is not a traditional chartered bank, but rather a financial technology company that partners with insured depository institutions to offer banking services to small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. Because it operates as a fintech platform, NorthOne relies on partner banks to hold customer funds and provide federal deposit protection. Through its partner bank relationships, funds deposited into a NorthOne account are protected by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. This FDIC insurance coverage protects your business capital up to the standard statutory limit of $250,000 per depositor, per ownership category. If the partner institution holding the funds were to experience a failure, your eligible deposits up to that limit are fully backed by the United States government. When evaluating business accounts managed through technology platforms, it is always important to verify which specific partner bank holds the deposits at any given time, as these partnerships can evolve. Checking the current deposit account agreement or terms of service directly on the platform ensures you have the exact financial institution name for your records. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.